Okay, we got two products today that we're going head to head with. We've got the AutoTOCAST and then we've got the AutoTOCAST Mini. So the AutoTOCAST Mini is mini, as you can tell. It's really small. You can see it's about the size of an earbud. I could probably fit this boom in my ear like that, almost like an earbud. And this thing is great if you're trying to do Apple CarPlay or Android Auto and you just want a simple wireless connection. It's going to come with the regular USB and it'll come with the USB Type-C adapter. So whether you've got a newer car or an older car, either way, this is going to work. The only thing you need to make sure of is that your car is wired for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Now we've got the AutoCast Original. So you can see here that this one is wired, right? And the reason that it's wired is it has an extra added feature. It's got everything that the AutoCast Mini has. So you're able to connect to a car that has Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. But the other thing that you're able to do with this one is you're actually able to mirror over from, let's say, something like YouTube. So you could play a video up on the screen, bypassing that ability, because, you know, if you were to just use regular Apple CarPlay, it's not going to actually let you play a video. So that is the special benefit of using this AutoCast, is it's going to go ahead and put those videos up on the screen and then you can actually watch them while driving. Now, of course, be safe. The driver shouldn't be watching, but maybe your passenger wants to watch a YouTube video or something like that while you're on a road trip. This is going to allow you to do it. So it really just depends on what you need. Do you really need that mirror casting? If not, then you don't need this one. You would want to get the Mini because the Mini is nice and small. It's not going to take up space. And honestly, it's just going to be lower cost than the original. But if you really want that mirroring, or maybe you want to just have that mirroring just in case in the future, then I would recommend going with the original AutoCast. Now you could also use this, let's say you're someone who does a lot of driving, but you park a lot and you want to watch videos. Your phone is small, you want to watch it on a larger screen, then again, you could use this for that situation as well. So it kind of just depends on what you're going to be using it for, but I would recommend either of these, just depending on your use case. So if you're looking for something for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto connection and screen mirroring, then I would recommend picking one of these up.